guys, it's Emma and welcome back to my channel, and today we're going on a little thrift haul run while I'm going to lunch. We know here, if you're new here, hi, I love thrifting and I just love to try and run whenever I get the chance. I've been a little busy on the weekends, so I sometimes try to go before my shift, but that kind of limits me on time as well. So either way, I've got an hour before work or an hour over lunch. So today we're doing lunch and going to see what goodies that I can find to bring home, whether they're little home decor pieces, little clothing items, or of course, I'm a 2024 bride, any wedding decor I can use. So come along with me to see what I find. Alrighty guys, we're back home and I've got a little haul for you. We're gonna do it rapid fire though because I gotta get back to work. So, Manny's taking a drink. So I saw this when I went a couple weeks ago. This JanSport, like long sleeve tee. It is a small, I believe, yeah. And I usually like to have my stuff be a little bit more oversized, but it looks kind of more of an oversized fit. I think it might be a men's, so I couldn't stop thinking about it. It definitely had been on my mind, so I snagged it for only $2 too, and I really like JanSport products, so I'm excited for this. She's so cutie. I did spend a total of like 13 something for everything I got. It's a lot of candlestick holders for the wedding as we're getting so near and close, but found some really cute ones. I got 3 of these little guys. They were, looks like $1 a piece. Just thought the shape was very unique. Then I got 3 of these cute little yellow guys. I thought they were so fun. We're going for the super fun, colorful vibes, so those are perfect. 3 of these fun little round ones. These were $2 for the set, so that was not bad at all. I just love the like bubble look. They're so fun. 2 of these super fun ones. They were definitely more on the more pricey side. It was $7.50 for the set, but this is definitely a style I could probably reuse in our home. Like, how cute are they? And then last for candlesticks are these cute silver ones. By all means, don't know if they're like real silver. They were $3. It says PR, so I don't know if it was per or not, but nonetheless, thought they'd be cute. And then last but certainly not least for this express haul is this cute like long wicker basket. I'm using baskets for the flowers for my bridesmaids instead of like actual full-blown bouquets. So I thought this would kind of go with the theme. I've got some other like wicker baskets. I don't know what I want to use this for. It's kind of giving like potential card holder. I did have something, but I think what I did have was probably way too small. So kind of rethinking that, but I don't know. She's so cute. I don't know what it's going to be used for, but it'll definitely find a home. That I have no doubt. But yeah, guys, that is my little quick thrift mini haul for today. I thank you guys for coming along. I know it was probably a very short and quick little video, but hey, a thrifting time is a great time to me, and I'm so glad you could come along with me. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!